There are a lot of things that might end the world, like asteroid impact, global epidemics, and global warming. If an asteroid hits Earth, people might die. It all depends on how big the asteroid or asteroids are. This is possible because Earth has been hit multiple times by asteroids. It is hardly possible because if the asteroid is big enough, it will cause a lot of damage, and if there's more than one, then it will probably wipe out humankind. An asteroid impact might have been the cause of the extinction of dinosaurs, which is another reason why asteroid impact is possible. Like you might have seen from the movie Deep Impact, this movie talks about the attempts to prepare for and destroy a 7-mile wide comet, which was to collide with Earth and cause a mass extinction. And the book, The Asteroid Impact. This book tells more about the asteroids and how the asteroids caused the extinction of dinosaurs. If there were to be a global epidemic that didn't have a cure, it would be highly possible for it to extinct humankind. A global epidemic is when a new case of disease breaks out throughout the area and it can last days to years. The Black Death was one of the most devastating epidemics in human history, resulting in the deaths of an estimated 75 to 200 million people. An epidemic is caused by crowded refuge camps, and natural disasters can intensify the risk of epidemics. An epidemic may be restricted to one location, however, if it spreads out to other countries or continents, it will probably affect a substantial number of people. A global epidemic can cause and has caused a large amount of people to die. Like the movie Carriers. This movie talks about a disease going around and people trying to survive it, and to how to prevent or avoid the disease. This movie is a good example of epidemic because it shows how the disease spreads out and how they cure it. Global warming is another thing that can end human population. Global warming is when an average temperature on Earth's climate system. It is also the increase in average temperature and the air in the sea at Earth's surface. Global warming is highly possible because in the early 20th century, the global air and sea surface temperature has increased about 1.4 Fahrenheit, about two-thirds of the increase since 1980. The last 3 decades have been warmer on Earth's surface than any decade since 1850. Most of global warming is being caused by increasing concentration of greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, and other air pollution that is collected in the atmosphere, trapping the sun's heat and causing the planet to warm up. If it keeps up like this, soon Earth will be too hot to live on. The book Global Warming is Understanding the Forecast. This book tells more about, talks about the climate change and climate stability. It summarizes scientific evidence related to global warming. And the movie The Day After Tomorrow. In this movie, there are a lot of catastrophic climatic effects in a series of extreme weather events that usher in global cooling, and it leads to a new ice age. All these scenarios are highly possible to end the world.